Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing school stuff for my school. First off is my backpack. This is my bag that I'm going to wear. It comes with this, so it doesn't open. Okay, this is going to be first. It has a very soft touch. It's waterproof. No, it's not waterproof. And I get my other one. I would have opened it. Capybara. Capybara. Come on. Capybara. Capybara. Capybara, capybara, capybara. Let's see what's inside. Nothing. Right there. Wow, this thing's like a mansion. Okay, now, cha-la-la-la, cha-la-la. I kind of opened it already. Oh. Mom, I got 2 pencil cases. So, like, if this one goes lost, I have the other one. Because that one's a spare one. This is my pencil, like, case. Mom's better in the box instead of being out. So we have this pencil case too. It comes, I'll give you a closer look at stickers. Some stickers inside. And I might. Can't actually help. My mom just opened it. Oh, Capybara stationery safe. So I start next week. I'm not doing it again. And okay, so I am going to wait till my mom's done opening that. And please like, subscribe, comment. Ready? Tra-la-la. Box. Oh, it's so good. First we come with stickers. Let's see, we're on the first level. What it comes with. Mom. Look at the way. Let me open it. I cannot believe this. It's a peach. It's a cootie peach. I'm gonna give one of these to Eleanor. I have one. So good. So cute. You want to feel it? Feel it?
Describe how it feels.
Well, look at that. It feels funny, and it feels like a real. It's actually not a butt mom. It's a peach. You know, there's different ones like that one.
Oh, cute.
And Mom, look at that one.
Yeah.
That's me when you take a big old pool. Okay. I like this one. I think this is my top lead so far of the cutie boo back. Turn it over, guys. Turn it over. Oh my God, Mom. Capybara pens. Wait, what is that? Oh, and a notepad. And scissors for girls. If boy watch this, don't watch this if you're a boy. Now I'm gonna become preppy now. I'm becoming preppy. See what else is in there. Ah, it's okay. Go relax, guys. Okay, relax when you go to sleep. Make sure you do well on your test. Love and peace. Love you guys. And last but not least, my mini capybara. That's so cute, guys. Last but not least. And please comment, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Please comment, please. Thank you. I'm gonna get a shout out to getting a shout out to my friend on TikTok, Evie. Please follow her on TikTok. Her name's Evie Gabby. You know how do you say?
Gabrielle.
Evie Gabrielle.
Marie.
Huh? Marie. So, okay. Bye, guys. Wait. Bye, guys. Wait, what?
That's a TikTok. I think I connected it to Bluetooth. There, yeah, I think it's there.
Mom, this